Hello my friends, I want to go ahead and show you what happens if you put hydrogen peroxide on your feet. So you may want to put your feet into water and pour hydrogen peroxide in. You might want to do 3 to 1, but I intend to use less than that. And so once you have the hydrogen peroxide in the water solution, you may just want to go ahead and let your feet soak. Maybe like 10 or 15 minutes, and you may feel like a tingling. And then I want to go ahead and show you the next step. Okay, so the next step is you may want to, after your feet have been soaking for a while, go ahead and pull your feet out and dry them. And then after that is complete, then you may want to go ahead and take something like this and go ahead and scrape, like if you have calluses or something on your feet, you may want to go ahead and scrape it off and kind of go around and scrape it. And hydrogen peroxide has many uses, and this is just one thing that can be done for hydrogen peroxide. I might put a list in the description of different things that hydrogen peroxide can do.